Hi viewers, welcome back to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the 20th tutorial for CSS beginner. Today in this tutorial, we discuss on the topic is CSS outline concept. What we discuss on today? CSS outline. Today in this tutorial, we discuss on the what is outline in CSS. What are the CSS outline properties? What we discuss on today? What is outline in CSS? How to write outline properties in CSS and what are the outline properties? Today we discuss on this topic. Before going to example, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SEM, SMO, SMM, complete free web tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. Please support me. Okay guys, I'm going to example. First of all, I am saying what is outline? What is outline? An outline is a line that is drawn around the elements. Here black is the border. Outline is a line that is drawn around the element. Here black is the border, black color is the border and red color one is the outline. An outline is a line that is drawn around elements outside the borders to make the element stand out. Outline is a line that is drawn around the element. Outline is a line that is drawn around the element. Here element is this is the element has black border and red outline. This element has black border and red outline. An outline is a line that is drawn around the elements outside the border. Outside the border. Here it will be appears outside the border. Second one, outline properties. Total, these are the outline style, outline color, outline width, outline offset, outline. These are the outline properties. How to write these outline properties? I am explaining with example. This is the output. How to write the CSS outline properties? I am clearly explaining with example like coding. Previously, this is I am writing, but I am deleting head, body, HTML. This is the basic HTML structure. We all of you know. Here I am writing suppose I am writing a P. Ahref button this element has a black border and red outline. Before going to write CSS, once we will see the output. Yeah, this is the output. Here I am writing the button, so that's why it looking like button. This element has a black border and red outline. Here I am writing the href. I am open YouTube. SHS Tech Solutions. Target blank. Target blank means it will be opened in another window. Yeah. It will be, suppose I am clicking on this button, it will be open in another window, YouTube, my channel. Yeah, okay. ID equal outline. Next time open, next time create a new file. I am open new file. First of all, I am save this file. I am creating a new folder CSS. Here I am writing a file name style.css. Style.css. Yeah, style.css is the CSS file name. First of all, I am call the CSS file in head section. Link relation equal to style sheet. Type equal to text or CSS. href from CSS folder style.css. Yeah. Next, here I am creating a ID outline. I am write the CSS for this button. Dash outline. Color white. Color white. Width 500 pixel. Height suppose 100 pixel. Font size 18 pixel. Background color yeah. Once we'll check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Yeah, button. This element has a black border and a red outline. Next, I am write the outline. First of all, I am write the border 5 pixel solid black. 5 pixel solid black. Yeah, 5 pixel solid black is the border. And next, I am write the outline. Outline 10 pixel solid red. Yeah, this is the outline. Margin auto. Okay. Next, here I am write the direct outline. Suppose we write the outline style. CSS properties is there. Outline style. Suppose outline style. Outline style dashed. Here I am write the solid or dashed dark red. Suppose once we will check it. Dashed. Here outline style is the dashed and the outline color is the brown. And next one is outline width. Outline width. Suppose 5 pixel I am right. Yeah, outline width is 5 pixel. Suppose I am right the outline offset. Outline offset 15 pixel. Outline offset is 15 pixel. It will be 15 pixel gap between the border and outline. Here total these properties I am put in comment. Suppose I am write the outline first of all 5 pixel width, 5 pixel dashed, 5 pixel dashed, color is the brown, yeah, this is the output, same output. Suppose we are using the outset, right, offset. Yeah, this is the process to write the outline. I hope guys, the total these are the CSS outline properties, and this is the process of write the CSS outline properties. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. I hope we all are understanding the how to write the CSS outline. What is CSS outline, and what are the CSS outline properties, and how to write the CSS outline properties. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provides all the web technologies. All the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel, and please support me. Please encourage me. Yeah, okay. Bye bye.